We don't only serve California, Texas, and Florida. Our general cleaning and restoration contract package is adaptable and ready to be made compliant for your state. Instead of spending thousands of dollars to have another lawyer custom draft and try to figure out all the nuances of the restoration industry, you can get our package with restoration specific provisions and strategy put together by an industry expert, Ed Cross, and have your local attorney do the bare minimum to make it legal and ready to use for your state. This means they're doing two things. Rather than rewriting it for style and strategy, they're going to remove whatever is illegal, which will be very little, if anything at all. And number two, they're going to add whatever is necessary and prescribed by statute. This package comes with 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you decide that this is not for you and you want to keep that illegal work authorization, go for it. We'll refund your money. So, are you ready to get our general cleaning and restoration contract package?